In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a tracking pixel on TikTok and start tracking events and conversions on your landing page. However, for those who don't know, a pixel code is used to track activities visitors are performing on your landing page, and this is very helpful when you are optimizing your campaigns later on, as you are going to know if your landing page is converting or not. However, before you set up a tracking pixel, you need to have put a couple of things in place. So the first one, you must have chosen a niche by now. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the home gardening niche as an example to show you how to set up a tracking pixel on TikTok. However, if you want access to more niches, over 2,000 niches that you can use to make money on TikTok, all you need to do is to click on the first link in the description, and you want to then scroll down to this niche research page, and you are going to see where it says niches. If you come over here, this is going to give you access to over 2,000 niches that you can use to make money on TikTok. So once you've chosen a niche, the second thing is to make sure to get a domain for that niche. And to do that, you can simply come over to namecheap.com, where you can purchase a domain that is related to that niche. And now the last thing you need is a landing page, and all you need to do is to go over to fiverr.com, type in landing page design, and you are going to see a lot of people that can create simple landing pages for you that you can upload to your domain. However, if you don't want to use that, you can also use landing page builders like Breezy.io, or you can use System.io to create a landing page on your own. So if you are using the landing page method, then you need two landing pages. The first landing page you need is the main landing page where you want to drive your traffic to, and the second landing page you need is a thank you page, as you can see right here. So if you are using Breezy.io, all you need to do is to click on edit project. So once you do that, all you need to do is to click on this button right here, and you want to then click on project settings. So once you click on project settings, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to click on this section that says code. So once you click on this is all you need to do right here. Then you want to go back to your TikTok ads account. So once you come over to your TikTok ads account, all you need to do is to hover to tools, and you want to click on events. So once you do that, then you want to click on web events, and you want to click on manage. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, but you can skip all of this, and here you want to click on create pixel. Then you want to select manual setup, and you want to click on continue. Then here you want to give your pixel a name. So I am going to type in garden, since we are taking the garden niche as an example, and you want to click on next. So as you can see, it says pixel created. All right, so now here you want to click on skip. So once you come over to this page, you can play around with these settings, but the one I personally use for CPA marketing is view content. So the reason why I go with view content is because once people come over to this thank you page, then I know that people must have converted on this first page before they get here. All right, so now all you need to do is to click on this plus button, and you want to click on add to conversion. So once you click this, then you want to click on next. As you can see right here, these boxes have been selected by default, but this is for those who have experience with coding, and I highly recommend to uncheck these boxes, and you want to select this event builder, because this is the easiest for beginners and those who are just getting started with TikTok ads. So all you then need to do from here is to click on next. So once you do that, this is going to bring you to this page. All you need to do from here is to click on this create event. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you need to do from here is to copy the pixel code provided to you by TikTok. You want to then go back to the two landing pages you created and paste in the code in the header section like this. So once you paste in the code right here, all you need to do from here is to then click on save changes. Then you want to also paste in that same code on this thank you page as well. So all you need to do from here is to then click on this button, and you want to go back to dashboard. So once you go back to dashboard, as you can see, this is the project of this second landing page, and you want to click on edit project. So once you do that, as you can see, this is the thank you page. You want to click on this button again. So once you do that, you want to also click on this project settings, and you want to also come over to this code as well. So once you come over to this code, all you need to do is to scroll down and locate this code injection header, and you want to paste in that TikTok pixel right here as well, and you want to click on save changes. So once you do that, this is all you need to do on your landing page, and you want to then go back to your TikTok ads account, and here you want to then click on continue. So before you do anything on this page, you want to click on this install or update pixel helper. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this Chrome web store, and all you need to do from here is to click on add to Chrome, and you want to click on add extension. So once you do that, all you need to do from here is to then click on refresh. All right, so once you do that, as you can see, it's then going to take you to this page. And what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to grab the link to your landing page, which is this link right here. So once you copy this landing page link, you want to come over to this section that says add URL, and you want to paste in the landing page link right here, and you want to click on search. So if this does not show your website, you want to click on this skip verification, and as you can see right here, this is going to show your website. So once you do that, then you want to go over to the extension section and you want to click on this Pixel Helper. So once you do that, as you can see right here, we have a page view event, and if you click on show, as you can see, it's going to show the link right here. And now for this section that says it has no rules, don't worry, we are going to fix that right now. Okay, so now this is just to confirm that our pixel is working correctly on our landing page. So now the next thing you want to do is to then click on this event type. Okay, so here you want to click on this and you want to select view content. All right, so now if you select this view content, then you want to scroll down here and you want to enter keywords. Okay, so now here you want to type in thank you. All right, and the reason why you are typing thank you here is because once people complete your CPA offer, they are going to be redirected to your thank you page. All right, so once people get redirected to your thank you page, as you can see, we have thank you right here, which is why we put thank you here, so that once people get over to this page, then you know that people must have completed your CPA offer before they come over to this page, and this is going to count as a conversion. So this is all you need to do on this page, and you want to click on save. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you want to click on this verify identity. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and I recommend you verify with your email address instead, and this is where you want to paste in the email you use to create this account. So you want to type in the email right here, and here you want to click on send code, and they are going to send a code to your email address. So all you need to do is to copy that code, and you want to paste in the code right here. So once you enter the code, then it's going to automatically redirect you back to the events page. So once you do that, you want to come over to this test event section, and here you want to type in your landing page link. Okay, so once you enter your landing page link right here, all you need to do is to click on generate QR code, and here you want to grab your mobile device and you want to use it to text this pixel code. Okay, so now as you can see, it brought me to this landing page right here, and whenever I click on this download, now as you can see, it has recorded the first event right here, which means somebody went to this page. And if I click on this download now, it's going to take me to this thank you page. And now as you can see right here, this is our thank you page right here. As you can see, this tells you that your pixel is working properly and everything is fine. So once you've done this and you make sure everything is working properly, then you can proceed to start driving traffic to your landing page. And for those who don't know, you can use this method to drive traffic to CPA content lockers or CPA offers. And you can also use this to make money by selling digital products on Digistore24 or on ClickBank. All you need to do is to come over to freeplrdownloads.com, and you can use any of this ebook for absolutely free. So once you download this ebook, all you just need to do is to create a content locker, and now you want to log the thank you page. Okay, it's very important you know that you want to log this thank you page, and you want to add that URL on your landing page. Okay, so you want to add a content locker link in the download button. Okay, so once people complete the CPA offer, then they will be redirected to the thank you page, which is going to then count as a conversion. So this thank you page, this is where you want to add the real download link. I hope this makes sense.